Hello, I'm Melina from SpiritFlow Sedona, spirit mentor, energy healer, and energy consciousness teacher right here in the sacred and healing land of Sedona, Arizona. Having spent nearly 30 years living in Europe, including 20 years in Switzerland, I've worked with clients from over 70 countries from all walks of life with many different life challenges and experiences and intentions for learning and healing. My clients often come to me after they find themselves at one of life's crossroads. They might be going through a difficult divorce or are faced with a serious health diagnosis such as cancer. They are maybe just having difficulty understanding what they're doing in their career, and they're looking for some guidance that is maybe a bit spiritually guided in their professional development. Some of my clients were transitioning to retirement. Some were healing from a dysfunctional upbringing or abuse, maybe dealing with grief, a lost spiritual connection. And some of my clients are learning to work with their own subtle energy, working with their chakras, with the aura, with the haric level and beyond. And they're looking to bring balance and flow into their life and looking for a life that is really aligned with their values and who they really are. Some of my clients are in need of physical healing. Some of them are in need of emotional and mental healing. Some are in need of relationship healing, and all are in need of healing on a spiritual level. After all, it is the foundation on which the whole of your life is based. Your physical world and reality is built on your subtle energy, and your subtle energy is created out of your past. So if you're looking to transform your life, it is best to start at the very beginning with your past energy and energy template. As your spirit mentor, I can help you find true lasting healing and transformation through time-tested tools and techniques. Perhaps you want to let go of the limiting beliefs that are holding you back from experiencing your true essence. Perhaps you're looking to create freely and fully a life aligned with your core values and with who you really are. If you're interested in exploring energy consciousness, there are courses that you can explore on your own or with a group. At the moment, there are around 18 courses available to explore, and that can be either in person in Sedona or online. You can explore the chakra system and how that relates to you and your energy field. You can explore energy healing, and there's also a course on flow that if you're interested in exploring that. If you are looking to create something special for a group, of course this can be organized. If you're interested in exploring energy consciousness, I've created courses based on each of the 7 chakras. You may be interested in exploring the first chakra and grounding, or maybe the 6th chakra and intuition. I've also put together some courses that are based on a few chakras together. For example, overcoming self-sabotage, all about the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd chakra. I also have a course called Who Are You Becoming, which is about the 5th, 6th, and 7th chakra. And of course, one of my favorite, which is called What Would Love Do, which is an entire weekend course that is about the 4th chakra. If you're interested in exploring healing, there are quite a few courses related to healing, both Reiki levels 1 through 4, as well as an advanced healing technique course. And also I have one in particular that is for self-healing, so that you can really learn how you can manage your own energy and actually heal yourself. I am so honored to be a part of all the life transformations of all of my students and my clients. I really feel that I am their biggest fan. And it's because I see them for who they really are. If you are new to SpiritFlow Sedona, I would be honored to assist you on your journey to see yourself for who you truly are. Together we move mountains, and here in Sedona, the red rocks will move you, I promise. Check out the website and see what interests you. There's a lot of information there. So if you would like to speak to me, just schedule the free consultation. One-on-one is available on the phone, on Zoom, or in person. There is a direct link to do this directly on the website. So I look forward to seeing you.